You search how to buy shares of Ion Beam Applications SA. The company develops proton therapy and particle accelerator solutions and trades on Euronext under the ticker IBAB.BR. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To proceed, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IBAB.BR to find the listing. Select the Ion Beam Applications SA results to open the asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to verify you have Ion Beam Applications SA. Confirm the ticker IBAB.BR and the basic company details to ensure it is the correct stock. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued when trading resumes, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform.